Introducing the Honiture QD6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution revolutionizing home cleaning with its advanced features and intelligent design. This innovative device boasts a 4-liter auto self-emptying station, LDS LIDAR navigation, and 26 sensors for precise mapping and obstacle avoidance. With versatile 3-in-1 cleaning functionality, customizable cleaning options, and a powerful 5200 mAh battery, it offers unmatched convenience and efficiency. This vacuum cleaner comes complete with essential accessories and a 2-year warranty, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. Join us as we delve into the remarkable capabilities of this state-of-the-art robotic vacuum. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated priced in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Innovative Auto Self-Emptying Station. This vacuum cleaner introduces a groundbreaking feature with its 4-liter auto self-emptying station. This station efficiently empties the dust collection dock in just 20 seconds, significantly reducing the hassle of manual emptying. Moreover, users only need to replace the dust collection bag once every 70 days, minimizing maintenance efforts. This feature is especially beneficial for households with pets and children, as it eliminates smelly garbage cans and potential allergens, providing a cleaner and healthier environment. The station's LED indicators further enhance user convenience by informing them of emptying and charging status, ensuring seamless operation. Number 2. Advanced LDS laser navigation and sensor technology. Equipped with LDS LIDAR navigation and 26 sensors, this vacuum cleaner sets itself apart in terms of navigation precision and obstacle detection. Unlike conventional laser navigation systems, LDS LIDAR offers superior accuracy in mapping homes, enabling the robot to efficiently maneuver around obstacles and identify potential hazards. Real-time data collection enhances mapping detail, allowing for optimized cleaning routes and avoiding collisions effectively. This advanced technology ensures thorough and hassle-free cleaning experiences for users. Number 3. Versatile 3-in-1 cleaning functionality. This vacuum cleaner redefined cleaning versatility with its vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping capabilities. The robot ensures efficient mopping without excessive moisture. With 4 cleaning modes, automatic, selective, spot, and edge cleaning, users can customize cleaning methods according to specific needs. It's important to note that the water tank should not be filled with cleaner, ensuring safe and effective mopping performance. Number 4. Tailored cleaning for large households. Designed to meet the demands of large households, this vacuum cleaner offers customizable cleaning solutions for different rooms. Users can adjust suction power, water volume, and cleaning schedules to suit individual preferences. With a maximum suction power of 4,000 Pa and the ability to store 5 maps simultaneously, the robot efficiently tackles various cleaning tasks with ease, providing thorough cleaning results across different areas. Number 5. Long-lasting battery and automatic recharging. Equipped with a robust 5200 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner ensures extended cleaning sessions with up to 250 minutes of runtime and coverage of 400 square meters. The robot seamlessly returns to the charging station for automatic recharging. Upon completion, it resumes cleaning from the interrupted spot, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning performance. This feature enhances user convenience and eliminates the need for manual intervention during cleaning sessions. Number 6. Comprehensive package and warranty. In addition to this robot vacuum, the package includes essential accessories such as the self-emptying station, 2-in-1 water tank dust box, mop holder, washable and disposable mops, side brush, heap filter, cleaning brush, instruction manual, and quick guide. Moreover, this brand provides a generous 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind and assurance of product quality and durability. Dimensions: Product dimensions are 13.7 inches length by 13.7 inches width by 3.8 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Honiture Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a game-changer in home cleaning technology. Its innovative features, including the auto self-emptying station and advanced navigation system, redefine convenience and efficiency. With customizable cleaning options, long-lasting battery life, and comprehensive accessories, it caters to the diverse needs of modern households. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.